You have probably seen those relentless ads popping up in your social media feeds lately. They talk about a simple honey trick that can supposedly fix your brain. They claim this trick can reverse memory loss or even stop cognitive decline in its tracks. It sounds like a miracle discovery. The marketing is everywhere right now. It is aggressive and it is designed to grab your attention with bold promises. But we need to take a very close look at what is actually happening behind the scenes here. The product is sold as a way to boost your focus and clear away that heavy brain fog we all hate. They mention ingredients like herbal extracts and common brain boosters. These are things you might have heard of before, like ginkgo or bacopa. On the surface, it looks like a standard health supplement. However, the way it is being sold is a massive red flag. Most people stumble upon this through long viral videos. These videos promise a secret recipe involving honey. They keep you watching for 10 or 15 minutes. They tell you that a major breakthrough has been discovered, but then they never actually give you a recipe. The whole video is just a funnel. It is a long sales pitch meant to lead you to a checkout page for a bottle of pills. There is no secret honey mixture at all. It is just a clever bait and switch. The people behind these ads are using very shady tactics. We are seeing software-generated videos that look like real news segments. They use digital technology to make it look like famous celebrities are endorsing the product. These celebrities have never heard of this brand. Their likenesses are being stolen to trick you into trusting the company. The websites they send you to look like legitimate medical journals. They might even look like real news outlets. If you try to click on any of the other links on those pages, you will find they do not work. The entire site is a facade created for one single purpose. They want your credit card information. There is absolutely no clinical proof for the big claims they are making. No independent lab has verified that this specific blend can cure serious brain diseases. The positive reviews you see on their official pages are almost impossible to verify. They are likely curated or completely fake. If a product was a real breakthrough, it would not need to rely on lies to sell bottles. It would have real data and real doctors standing behind it. Instead, we see a company hiding behind computer-generated voices and high-pressure sales tactics. It is heartbreaking because they are targeting people who are genuinely worried about their mental health. They are preying on the fear of aging. They want to exploit your desire to stay sharp. You are likely just getting a very basic supplement that you could buy for $5 at a local store. The price tag on these bottles is usually very high. This is because you are paying for that massive advertising budget. It is a classic example of a generic product wrapped in a high-tech scam. You should always be skeptical of any secret that the medical world is supposedly hiding from you. Real science does not work that way. It does not hide in a shady social media funnel. If you see a video that promises a miracle but refuses to give you the details until you pay up, walk away. Your health and your money are far too valuable to waste on these digital smoke and mirrors. Stick to methods that have actual evidence and transparency. Do not let a clever video talk you into buying into the hype.